Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make your video public in Google Drive. First, navigate to your Google Drive and locate the video file you wish to share. Once found, right-click on the file to reveal a menu of options. From this menu, select Share and then adjust the permissions. You'll want to change the setting to Anyone with the link to ensure broad public access. Understanding the Anyone with the link setting is key. This option means that anyone who has the direct link to your video can view it without needing a specific Google account or login. It's the essential step for making your content truly public and accessible to a wide audience. This ensures your video can be shared and watched by virtually anyone you send the link to. After making your video public, you might want to embed it on a website or blog. To do this, you'll need to generate an embed code. Google Drive provides this option, allowing you to easily copy and paste the code into your site's HTML. Always test the embedded video on your platform to confirm it plays smoothly and is visible to your audience. Before sharing your public video widely, always test the link on various devices and browsers to ensure it functions as expected. Remember to consider the privacy implications of making content public. Once it's out there, it's widely accessible. Also, if you're looking to enhance your home audio, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link for this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.